Flux changed speech recognition. The world's first conversational model built for understanding and interaction, not just transcription. Now it goes global. Introducing Flux Multilingual. The model developers trust for real-time voice agents. Now speaks 10 languages. Native turn detection, interruption handling, real-time code switching across 10 languages. Build global voice agents with one model. No routing, no accuracy trade-off, no per-language infrastructure. Launch once, reach the world. Guide the model with language hints, or let the model auto-detect. Flux adapts in real time, even mid-conversation.
Can you confirm your insurance ID?
Un momento, estoy buscándolo. I got it. Sí, the number is BA3592.
Gracias. Tu receta está cubierta por el seguro.
One model, 10 languages, one API. Flux Multilingual. Built for global conversations.